Question number second, the length and the breadth of a rectangular hall are 40 meter and 32.5 meter. So first we have to draw a hall. Length is 40 meter, breadth is 32.5 meter. A carpet is to be laid inside the hall, leaving around margin 1.5 meter. Inside this hall, we want to lay a carpet and we leave the margin from all four walls 1.5 meter. So from here, here, here and here, this is the what? 1.5 meter margin from all four walls we leave. So now your carpet is in this portion. Carpet laid is in this. This is what? This is the carpet. This small rectangle is carpet. Now, A part is the area of carpet. That means we have to find out this area of carpet. So first we have to find out length and breadth of the carpet. Here, hall length is 40. So if we complete this is the length of carpet. If we complete this, suppose from here and here we increase. So this length is equal to this length. If we increase from both sides this portion, so length of carpet is equal to length of the hall. So if we want to find out length of carpet, if we subtract this portion and this portion from 40, then we can find out this portion, carpet's length. We know the distance, this 1.5 meter. This distance is also 1.5 meter. So if we subtract 1.5 plus 1.5 from 40, so we will get this. Similarly, if we see here, if we draw this length, so this is equal to 32.5. Distance from here to here is equal to from here to here. So if we subtract, this distance is what? 1.5. This is also 1.5. So if we subtract 1.5 plus 1.5 from this, so this distance we will get this distance. So this is the breadth of carpet. So now let us start our question. A part, length of carpet is equal to 40 meter minus 1.5 meter plus 1.5 meter. 40 meter minus 1.5 minus 1.5, then you will get the length of carpet. That means 40 meter minus 3 meter equal to 37 meter. Now breadth of carpet, breadth of the hall is 32.5 meter. So minus 1.5 minus 1.5, then you will get breadth of carpet. So 32.5 meter minus 3 meter, then you will get 29.5 meter. So now area of carpet, area of carpet is what? Length into breadth, because carpet is in rectangular shape. So that means 37 meter multiplied by 29.5 meter. When you multiply, you will get 1091.5 meters square. A part done. Now B part. B part is the area of strips left uncovered. Area of strips left uncovered. So now look at here. Which portion is uncovered? This is the rectangular hall. This is the carpet. Here we leave margin. In this margin we have not laid a carpet. That means this is the uncovered area. This area is uncovered. This is the uncovered area. Now we have to find out this area of uncovered portion. So if we subtract area of carpet from the area of hall, then what is left? Area of hall is this, area of carpet is this. So area of hall subtract area of carpet. So this portion is left. So now write down area of uncovered strips. Area of uncovered strips equal to area of hole minus area of carpet. Area of hole is what? Length into breadth. And area of carpet you have find out 1091.5 meter square. Area of hole length is what? 40 meter multiplied by 32.5 meter. This is the breadth of the hole. Now do multiplication, then you will get, when you multiply this, you will get 1300 meter square minus 1091.5 meter square. And when you subtract this, you will get, do subtraction. Look at here, how can you subtract a decimal? This is the decimal. So first make them like, mark decimal here and 0 here. Now 3 gives borrow, 3 become 2, this has become 10, 10 become 9, 10, 9, 10, 10 minus 5 is 5, decimal as it is, 9 minus 1, 8, 9 minus 9, 0 and 2 as it is, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So 208.5 meters square. That's your answer. Now question number 3.